Hi guys, welcome back to Rivendell Junction. Got here the Accurascale 37. Again, nice little loco, lots of reviews out there, unboxings, etc, etc. Really good little thing. Sound is amazing. However, I don't know if you've had this problem. She cuts out. Now, this is a couple of things on the Accurascale website state this could be to do with something along the lines of the stair live not being fully charged, or something to do with the volume. I've had a bit of a play, spoken to the team at Great Eastern Models who I bought it from, been really helpful. But just as a quick guide for those of you who've maybe got the same issue, what's worked for me is reducing the volume down by approximately, well, they say by about 10%. That didn't work for me. What did work was taking the CV value from 192 to 150. So we can try that as we're on the track now. So we will open it onto program mode. We'll program it on the main because we're only doing a quick CV amend for this loco. Make sure we've got the right loco number in there. We're looking for CV number 63. Going to enter the value down to 150. Was 192. This is the top volume CV. We escape out of there. Now let's see if we get a result. That's brilliant. It's a little bit quieter, however it's working. So for me, that's the result. It still sounds really good, as you'll probably no doubt hear in a moment. There we go. That's the Accurascale off the 37, a really nice model. If you've got that problem, it's a really easy fix. Give it a go for yourself. Thanks very much. If you found this helpful, give me a like and a subscribe, and maybe we can help each other out later in the future. Cheers, bye.